In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GCash Mastercard abroad, ATM Withdrawals Guide. If you're traveling and need cash from your GCash balance, this quick walkthrough will help you do it smoothly and safely. First, find an ATM that accepts your card network. For most GCash cards, that's Mastercard. Look for the Mastercard or Visa logo on the ATM screen or near the slot. You'll usually have the best experience at a bank-branded ATM rather than a standalone machine, as banks tend to offer clear fee disclosures and better reliability. Choose a well-lit, secure location, ideally inside a bank lobby or a busy area. Next, insert your GCash card and enter your 6-digit PIN. Cover the keypad with your hand and avoid letting anyone stand too close. If the machine doesn't read your card or your PIN fails, cancel the transaction, retrieve your card, and try a different ATM rather than forcing multiple attempts. It's better to move than to risk a lockout. On the screen, select Withdraw. The ATM may ask you to pick an account type, checking or savings. Because this is a card connected to your e-wallet, both options often work, but savings is the most commonly accepted choice on international ATMs. If one option doesn't go through, cancel and try the other at the same or a nearby machine. Now enter the amount in the local currency of the country you're in. Keep in mind that ATMs sometimes have per transaction limits, and you might need to do more than one withdrawal to reach your desired amount. Watch for on-screen notices about local ATM fees. If you see an offer to convert the transaction to your home currency, that's dynamic currency conversion. It's usually better to decline and be charged in the local currency so your card network can apply its own exchange rate. Finally, review the summary and confirm the transaction. The ATM will process your request and dispense cash. Count your bills discreetly, take your receipt if you want a record, and make sure you get your card back before you walk away. If the machine says it will charge a fee and you're not comfortable with it, cancel and try another ATM nearby. If something goes wrong, like no cash dispensed but your balance is debited, keep the receipt and transaction time. That information will help you report the issue. That's it. With the right ATM, a secure PIN entry, the correct account selection, a locally entered amount, and a quick confirmation, withdrawing with your GCash Mastercard abroad is simple and reliable. Safe travels and happy withdrawing.